Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits for baby at home. We'll focus on creating a nutritious and safe treat for your little one. Making these at home ensures you control every ingredient, avoiding any unwanted additives or excessive sugars. This recipe is designed to be gentle on tiny tummies, using just a few basic items you likely already have in your pantry. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. First, in a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of cold, unsalted butter. Use your fingertips to rub the butter into the flour until the mixture looks like fine breadcrumbs. Then, slowly add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Avoid overworking the dough to keep the biscuits tender. Once your dough is ready, gently roll it out on a lightly floured surface to a thickness of about 1/4 inch. Use small cookie cutters, or even a knife, to create bite-sized shapes perfect for little hands. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until lightly golden. After baking, let your baby biscuits cool completely on a wire rack. Once cooled, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze them for longer freshness. When serving, always ensure the biscuits are soft enough for your baby to chew safely. Remember to always supervise your little one during snack time to prevent any choking hazards.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.